Hi, this is Miss Okada. I'm here to help you guys navigate through Schoology and be successful in your Algebra 1 class. So hopefully the way that you got in here is by going through launchpad.classlink.com. So if you want an app on your phone to this website, you can always go to the Apple App Store and find Classlink Launchpad, or go to the Google Play App Store and find the same app. Alright, so let's talk about what your Algebra 1 classes should look like. So you should have at the front, you should have a bunch of links that are completely optional. They are just for you guys to get some answers to some of the questions that you might have already and just overall be successful. But the one that you must complete by the end of the week is this red folder called Algebra 1 Week 1. Notice here it should have a little check mark, a little gray check mark that says that you must complete when you really start. This is where your graded assignment is going to be. All right, so let's click on it and see what this will look like. All right, so on this folder, these are the things that you must complete this week. The first thing that's there is completely optional. This is just a page of notes that you can use to answer questions and to have really good notes for your assignment when you start your assignment. So this page, you can print it, or you can make a copy of it on your Google Drive and use it to take notes as you watch the videos. When you've answered every question, notice that they're separated by videos. So once you feel like you've answered every single one of these questions, then you can start on your assignment, because these should be really great notes for your assignment. All right? So the videos are going to be located inside your activities. Notice that you should have 3 activities for this week. And I think almost every week it's going to have 3 activities. These links should have a video or several videos and questions about that video. And if you look here, activity 2, 3, and your assignment are graded out right now. That means that you cannot start on these yet. The only way that you can start on it is by completing the first one. So you must complete activity 1 and get all 3 questions right before you can start activity 2. Before starting activity 3, you must complete activity 2. Before starting your assignment, you must complete all 3 activities. So they go in order. These activities are not hard. Let's look at it right now. This activity should have a video or several videos and questions about that video. As you're watching this video, I suggest that you take notes on your notes page, and it should help you answer right away what these questions are. They correspond directly to what the video is talking about. So I suggest that when you're watching these videos that you're taking notes, or at least writing down what the answers are. Notice I'm saying the answers, not the answer choices, because you will have 3 chances to make 100 on this video. If you don't succeed the first time, that means that the second time your answer choices are going to be shuffled around. So instead of being the first answer being A and the second answer being B, they might be flipped around. Like your answer choices might be not in the same place. So make sure that you're writing down what your answers are. If you're not taking notes, make sure you're writing down what the answers are. All right, but you will have 3 chances to make 100. All right, so, and the same with your assignments. You will have 3 chances to make 100 on this assignment. So let's go look at someone that's already done with their assignment. So let's look at Coach Sutton. She already finished everything and she's done her assignment. So now, because she's done every single thing that was on that folder, she got a check mark that says complete. She finished all 3 activities and the assignment. All right. So notice here that she's scored at least the questions right, and that she's already turned this in. When you look at your assignment, you will be able to use a calculator, you'll be able to use your notes, and you will have 3 chances to make 100. And I will take the best score out of the 3 chances that you had. So right now, Coach Sutton, she made an 88.89. She got close to an 89%. So she has 2 more chances to make 100. And again, I'm taking the one that's the highest of the grades that you've taken. So the next time she makes a 60, I would still take that 89. And the last time she makes a 95, I will take that 95. But it doesn't say anywhere in here what she's missed. So let's go talk about that next. Let's go find out where you can find out what you missed. So before you start the next time, I will give you some kind of feedback letting you know what you've missed. So the way that you can check that is by either going at the very top. There should be an icon here that says grades for you guys because you guys are students. Mine doesn't have it because I'm a teacher right now. So if you don't see that right here that says grades, you can also go on the left side. There's a little tab that says grades. You click there, you should see the first 5-6 weeks don't have anything on there. But for the 6 weeks, for this week, for this first week 1, Coach Sutton made, again, an 89%. That means that she's missed at least one question. So here I left her a little comment that says, go back to question number 4. You were close, but you didn't get it right. And here's some hint about how to get it completely right. All right. So let's say you missed a question or you missed a couple of questions and you have no idea how to start the next assignment, like the next try of that assignment. The one way that you can get those questions answered is by going to your office hours. Each teacher should have some office hours already ready for you guys to ask any questions in there. So for example, for my kids, my office hours are going to be between 10 and 11, and they're going to be on Google Hangouts. So here's the link so that they can click on it and go to my office hours. But let's say that you cannot make from 10 to 11 Monday to Friday. You can also send me a direct message. Well, first of all, you can also send me an email to daniela.okada@bryansc.org, or you can send me a direct message to ask me for any kind of help. So the way you do that is by clicking the little envelope icon and making a brand new message. And if you have any replies, you should see right here. Miss Okada has replied to your message. Miss Sutton, Coach Sutton has replied to your message, and so on and so on. So let's send a brand new message to Miss Okada. So if you type out my name, you should see my person right there ready to type. So, hey, I need help with blah, blah, blah. Hey, this is the question that I need help with. You can attach files, you can attach pictures on the ones that you feel like you have questions about, links, anything that you want. You can even send me an audio video recording of yourself asking me for help. All right? And I should be able to reply with the same kind of resources and the same tools that you have here. So I suggest that you check your messages very constantly, making sure that you have everything answered. And the other thing that you might want to check a lot is your reminders or your notifications here. If you click the little bell icon, you should see notifications anytime your teacher has replied to you, anytime your teacher has graded something. When they add new assignments, I think they get added here too. So when Coach Sutton turned in her assignment and I made a comment on her thing, she got a notification here saying, hey, I've graded it and I commented on it. All right, so make sure you're constantly checking those two. And you're going to office hours if you need any help. But again, we're trying to make you guys be successful, so make sure that you guys answer everything in this folder, that it says that you completed it all. And one last way that you can see that you've done it all is that when you're completely done, I'm going to go ahead and assign you a little badge that says, hey, your first week of Algebra 1 has been completed. So once you're completely done, I'm going to give you guys a little badge, but I have to assign it myself. All right, so be patient with me, be patient with everyone. Take care and make sure you guys ask for help if you need some.